Everyone, today we have amazing jocondo or dequaz vegan. We will go slowly fast. It will take only 5 minutes. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011 and captain of Egyptian team in World Pastry Cup. So here we go. First we must make aquafaba. What's mean aquafaba? It's replace the egg white or meringue in vegan. So all we need 300 gram of chickpea or hummus, what they call it, and 1 liter 200 water. So almost 4 times water. We soak in water for 24 hours. All you need to soak first in water 24 hours. After 24 hours, the size will be doubled, and then we boil it. This after 24 hours, see the increase, the quantity increase. I mean, absorb water, so the volume becomes bigger. And after that, we simmering in hot stove for 3 hours. After 3 hours, we reduce the water until the third. So the water will be almost 350. This is what we call it aquafaba. In same times, we blend it like 100 gram of aquafaba or chickpea to get powder. We need 8 gram of powder to increase the volume or strongest of the aquafaba. We blend it like 100 gram. Then when we strain, we need the small flour. So we strain into small sieve to get very fine flour. And this flour or chickpea flour, what we need, only need 8 grams. And if you don't need to make this, you find in supermarket can of chickpea cooked already or ultra bucket. So all you need, you open the can or you open the ultra bucket and take the water. This is what we need. We need 110 milli of aquafaba water, 200 gram sugar, 8 gram of chickpea flour, and 1 gram tartaric acid. So many people, it's not easy to find tartaric acid, so you can replace with citric acid. But affection of creme tartare is much better than citric acid. But citric acid can do the same. We mix exactly like we're doing meringue. Aquafaba is replacing the egg white. Then chickpea powder, sugar, and creme tartare. We do it in high speed, almost 12 to 15 minutes. After that, we have a strong meringue or a strong substituted meringue vegan. We prepare in this time 125 gram almond flour, 65 gram icing sugar, 30 gram of all-purpose flour. So we mix exactly like we're doing macaron, sugar, almond flour, and all-purpose flour together into small sieve. So we need it to pass through, and we have non-lumps powder. And then this combination will be the dequaz. Some people want to make exactly beautiful taste. This is my opinion. You put 50% of almond powder, 50% of hazelnut powder, and give fantastic taste. In case you want to make dequaz pistachio, you can replace the whole amount of almond flour, 125 to 125 gram of pistachio fine powder, and you will have amazing pistachio dequaz. This is very rich. Actually, this is what we did in last Coupe du Monde de la Pâtisserie, World Pastry Cup, Egyptian. That was our recipe for vegan dessert. I also make vegan macaron, and this will be very beautiful with the filling. You will find the link in description box below. After 12 minutes, as you see, we have a strong ganache, a strong meringue. Then we mix it exactly like you do normal décoise. We mix all ingredients. And then you keep stirring gently like you make normal jocondo. As you see, the meringue, it's almost similar that normal meringue with normal egg white. Please guys, write a comment, let us know what is your opinion about our video, what we should be improved,